We will continue working on rhetorical synthesis questions. Credits to Khan Academy. Rhetorical synthesis. Rashwan, I want you to help me with the first question. And also I need,
Yes.
of course, I need your explanations.
Okay. I did 12C.
12C, we have C and the rest. Jama'a, please, your answers to the first question. Question number 12. We have C's. What else do we have, Rashwan? What else
C.
do we have? Huh?
All C.
Okay, let's figure out.
The student wants to emphasize the similarity between Brett's inventions and Jones' invention.
Okay, the key words here, the student wants to emphasize what?
Similarity.
Similarity between.
Brett's invention and Jones' invention.
So how many inventions do we have?
2.
Yes, 2 inventions, and I need just the similarities. Okay, or a similarity, not similarities, a similarity. So all of you did C, right?
Yes.
Why?
A speaks only about Jones. B speaks only about Brett. D
This
shows
is
the difference.
only one invention, and the second one, it's the same, only one invention. What
That's
about,
won't show a difference.
okay, what about D? We have both inventions here. Bird's invention and Jones' invention. Why didn't you choose D?
Because as in the choices were as, but you saw a difference or a contrast.
Yes, whereas reflects a difference, shows a difference. But in the question, he asked me to find a similarity between both adjectives. Which one? Okay, which word in the choice shows the similarity even without going deeper into the choice?
Both.
Both. Both improved. Thank you, Rashwan.
Okay.
Osam. 13, we have notes and then the prompt of the question. What do you think? Osam, your answer?
Sonnet A.
This is 13. Osam, A. What about the rest? Check the rest, please. We have A.
كله A.
I need you to analyze the stem of the question or the prompt of the question.
The students want to describe how fabric is used in a session of will.
Okay, analyze it, the keywords.
Okay. British clothing is made of fabric pieces stitched
Okay,
and painting.
the prompt itself, I need you to,
I read it.
I know, the keywords in the prompt.
How fabric is used.
How, it's the way. Fabric is used in assertion of well, it's the how. Okay, did anyone choose something other than A?
All of us are A.
Okay, I need you to explain why you chose A.
Begin from B. B is talking about the painting itself, a session of will, not the fabrics.
Depicting three standing clothes, مش عارف, an assertion of well. So here he discussed three things, right?
Yes.
Three things, three different things. And the question asked us about only one thing, which is the fabric in assertion of well only. Okay. So this is concerning B. Okay, in A, why it's A? Huh? Here we have,
The only thing he mentioned is the fabrics.
yes. Okay, but you didn't explain how it's used. Where is how it's used here?
It's stitched to the painting's canvas.
Bravo. How it's used, this is when it's stitched to blah, 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 blah. This is how it is used. Stitch it to the paintings. Okay, see?
See, he's talking about Association of Will as itself. Yani he's talking about it's one of 8 artworks. That's not what he asked. And where is this exhibited?
Okay, and where is how the fabric is used itself? One of the things, the artworks exhibited in a place. Yes, maybe it's true, it's in the notes, but where is how the fabric is used? Here it is stitched to the whatever. It's stitched to, this is how it is used. What about D?
He's talking about the exhibition. That's it.
That's it. Okay, it's not relevant to the prompt of the question. So yes, it's A. Thank you, Ahsam. Noor, let's move to number 14.
Yes.
What's your answer?
14 D.
14, we have D. What about the rest?
كله D.
Okay, analyze the stem, please. The student wants to.
Identify the setting of Catherine's novel by Antonia.
Where is the keyword of words here? The keyword in the prompt. Noor? It's the problem. Dima.
Yes, Mister.
Okay. Where is the keyword, or where are the keywords in the question, in the prompt of the question?
Identify the setting.
Yes, specifically the setting
Mhm.
of the
Of
novel.
Catherine's novel
Yes,
by Antonia.
specifically the setting. Okay.
Mhm.
Well, you chose D.
Yes,
For what reason? Which word?
because he said about the Antonia, the setting of Antonia where Catherine grew up also.
Okay, the keyword here, which reflects the setting, one word.
Means set also.
One word you can match to the setting. One word.
Where?
Yes, and it's the place itself.
Yes.
Okay. Look at C. Among best known novels are blah and blah. What's wrong with that?
He didn't say about the place.
No place. What about
No.
B? He talked
Uh,
about the
Catherine, that she's author.
author
Described
without mentioning
yes.
anything about the place.
Mhm.
Okay. What about A?
He
He
speaks
attended,
about she attended the university,
okay, the university
not
and
the
sit
place
home
that
for her
she.
novels in Nebraska. Ma, we have here a place. Why didn't you choose A and you went for D?
Because he said just she attends the university, not the place that she's sitting.
Okay, here we are talking about the person,
Mm-hmm.
right? The
Yes,
university where she uh, wrote her novels. But the question asked about the setting of a novel,
yes, asked about the
not
place.
the person, the novel, not the place.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the novel here, that's the novel, the setting of the novel.
Yes.
Okay, not the
Mhm.
place where Cather did whatever she was doing, writing and so on. Okay, so this is the place of the person. I want the setting, the place of the novel, which is
Mhm.
that's the novel and that's the place of the novel, the setting of the novel. Thank you, Adima. Hara, next.
Yes. My answer is C.
Okay, we have C here and the rest.
There's also D.
We have C and we have D. Okay. Right. The stem of the question itself, the student wants to, huh?
Explain an advantage of the new
It's
platinum.
advantage, right? An advantage of the, huh?
New platinum catalyst developed by Diambo
Tang.
Tang and his
Yes. Okay. You chose C.
yes.
Okay. And some people chose D, right?
Yes.
Okay, what's the difference? Read C at the very beginning and tell me where is the advantage of the new catalyst.
It's an advantage because in C they say it requires far less of the rare and expensive method.
Okay. While still highly, huh? Effective.
Effect.
What is still highly effective?
The new platinum
Very good.
catalyst.
The catalyst. And it requires what? Less
Rare
of the rare and expensive metal. Okay, when it requires less expensive metal, this is positive or negative?
positive.
This is positive. Because while it's still highly effective,
It requires less.
and also meanwhile no expensive metal. Let's go to D. Look at the difference between C and D. Here he's talking mainly about
the catalyst.
the catalyst. Here he
Saying
said both the researcher and the colleagues created what? Huh?
a platinum catalyst.
Look at the difference between a platinum catalyst and here it's what?
It talks about the creation itself.
Okay, read please the difference between both of them. I want you to read both of them. Read that. What's this? Read it.
The new platinum catalyst.
Speak up يا حلا لو سمحتي. A little bit. I can't hear you well.
Was still highly effective, the new
I
platinum
need the
catalyst.
read the name of the cat. It's what? The read this يا حلا.
The new platinum catalyst.
And here,
A platinum catalyst.
what's the difference here? What's the difference between this and this? Are they the same?
No.
No. What's the difference?
It's new.
Oh, very good. Very good. Look. Not any catalyst. This is any catalyst, any platinum catalyst. Here, new platinum catalyst. We pay attention to the adjectives, يا جماعة. Okay, go back to the prompt or the stem of the question. Did he ask about any platinum catalyst or a specific one?
A specific one.
Which is a...
The new
catalyst. The new catalyst required less expensive metal, which is positive. But go here, he's not talking about the new platinum catalyst. That's just a general, any platinum catalyst. I need the new catalyst. Up here, the new catalyst combines platinum, a rare and expensive metal, with liquid gallium. Where is the advantage here also?
There's no advantage.
There is no advantage. He just explained the catalyst, what happens, or how the catalyst, that platinum catalyst works by combining a rare, expensive metal with something with gallium. Where is the advantage? There is still no advantage here, but the advantage in C that it works while requiring no expensive or less expensive metal, and at the same time it's still a highly effective.
Highly effective.
Yes, which is what this is one advantage. It's highly effective and requiring
Less.
less. This is the advantage. Although, or it requires less expensive metal, but it's still effective.
Highly
Not
effective.
just effective, highly effective. So this is the advantage. شكرا حلا. Noor, are you in? Noor?
Yes.
Okay, did you get that question? The differences between
Yes.
C and D? Can you rephrase and explain to the rest? What's wrong with D?
What's wrong with A?
D.
D?
Hmm.
ما في
You wanted an advantage. Were you following, Noor? You were not.
لا I was following. هو في C بيقول إنه it requires far less of the rare expensive metal than do other platinum catalysts.
Is this an advantage?
New still highly effective.
Yes, this is an advantage. I said, what's wrong with D? Yes, you are correct. This is right. But what's wrong with D?
ما فيهاش أصلا ما فيهاش advantage.
There is extent. There is no advantage. He just explained how the catalyst works, and also here he said a platinum what?
Platinum catalyst.
And the question asked about,
New platinum catalyst.
are they the same?
No.
Okay.